Hey everyone, hey NailTubers, this is a Summery Pink Nail Collab hosted by Love by Verdie Nails. So I'm starting with my nails prepped and I have my tips on. These are tips that came from AliExpress and I've had them since last year. So I'm just going to go right in and begin with a pink acrylic because that is the color of choice for this collab. For what it said, and what I thought I ordered from AliExpress was acrylic. Turns out that this was a pigment powder, so I ended up mixing it. I mixed it with white and clear. Maybe a little too much clear because that's the reason why you see areas where it looks translucent. But I decided to still use it because I kind of like that look. It has a little bit of an effect to it. I am so happy to have made it to the collab today. This collab is being hosted by Love by Verdie Nails. I have participated in her collabs before and I really do enjoy them. Be sure to check out her channel and watch her collab video as well. She does really great tutorials. Verdie has also started doing cuticle oils, and the cool part about it is you can get it in the scent of your choice. So don't forget to check that out as well. Oh, and by the way, she's also doing mango butter. I also want to give credit to Gigi, who does MVP nail designs. She's pretty much co-hosting this collab as well, as she has donated products for the giveaway that's being sponsored. So don't forget, she does MVP nail designs. I just recently ordered from her and she has very pretty acrylics and she's got some of the coolest glitter. And don't forget to check out her collab video as well. In fact, you might as well go ahead and binge watch because there are several other ladies that are part of this collab and I'm familiar with their work and I know they're going to be putting out something that is totally awesome. So check them all out, guys. For this nail, I'm just going in with a multicolored design. I go back to this nail to finish off my ombre effect. So I think I explained pretty much everything I needed to for this video. More recently, I've been turning a good portion of my videos into Watch Me Works. This helps me avoid a lot of editing issues. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this, and I hope you enjoy. So, did I happen to mention that this collab was also a giveaway? Yeah, it is. Here it goes. The winner will receive products from MVP Nail Design's website, selected by her, and a $100 Amazon gift card. Isn't that something? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this. This giveaway is open to the US and international. There's a playlist linked in the description box. Please check out the other participants' videos. If you are a new subscriber to any of the channels, you'll be entered. You must comment on the video to include the following: US or international, that you are a new subscriber, and what channel you came from. You must provide an email address or your Instagram name. Every new subscriber is an entry. A winner will be picked July the 24th of this year and contacted directly from Love by Verdie Nails Instagram or her email. The winner will be announced only with their permission. Yeah, I'm so excited about this. Good luck to everyone. I hope you like the way these turned out, because this is a hot nail summer. I think they're really, really cute. And you know something else? I really like the fact that they glow in the dark. This is so cool. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any uploads. Remember to hit the like button and leave me a comment so that I know you've been here. I'll see you next time.